Welcome to Technitown, where we create content on a wide range of tech-related topics. Click the link in the description to see our blog post on this topic.
Greetings, 3D printing enthusiasts and curious minds. In the exciting realm of 3D printing, choosing the right printer can be a pivotal decision, influencing both your creative projects and your wallet. Today, we embark on a journey to compare two formidable contenders, both of which I have used extensively, the Craftbot Flow IDEX and the Stacker S4. While both have their merits, we'll explore why the Craftbot Flow IDEX shines as the superior choice, thanks to its user-friendliness, quiet operation, and budget-friendly price. The Stacker S4, a solid performer. Let's begin by acknowledging the strengths of the Stacker S4. This 3D printer is known for its robust performance and reliability, making it a trusted companion for many in the 3D printing community. Its large build volume, precision, and ability to print 4 copies at once have earned it a solid reputation. However, as we delve deeper into the comparison with the Craftbot Flow IDEX, you'll discover why the Craftbot Flow IDEX emerges as the more favorable choice. Craftbot Flow IDEX, your user-friendly creative companion. The Craftbot Flow IDEX is a 3D printer that opens the door to creativity while prioritizing user-friendliness. Its independent dual extruder, IDEX system, allows for easy multi-material and multicolor printing. But what truly sets it apart are 3 key factors. User-friendly interface. Craftbot Flow IDEX features an intuitive user interface that's beginner-friendly while providing advanced options for experienced users. Setting up and printing is a breeze. It also has features that assist with bed leveling, detects jams, detects filament, built-in camera, etc. Whisper quiet operation. While the Stacker S4 can be quite noisy during operation, the Craftbot Flow IDEX boasts a remarkably quiet printing experience. Even with a Craftbot in the office with me and the Stacker in the next room over, the Stacker was still louder in my office. Affordability. Perhaps the most significant advantage of the Craftbot Flow IDEX is its affordability. It offers impressive features and capabilities without breaking the bank, making it accessible to a wider range of enthusiasts. The Stacker S4 can print about twice as fast, but you can buy 3 Craftbots for the same price as 1 Stacker. Conclusion. When it comes to 3D printing, the Craftbot Flow IDEX stands out as the superior choice, especially for those prioritizing user-friendliness, peace and quiet during printing, and budget considerations. While the Stacker S4 is a capable printer, the Craftbot Flow IDEX exceptional features and affordability make it the ultimate pick for almost all enthusiasts of all levels. The only exception would be if money is not a concern and you really need to be able to print as many pieces as possible in as small space and time as possible. So, unleash your creativity with confidence and embark on your 3D printing journey with the Craftbot Flow IDEX. Your projects will come to life effortlessly, quietly, and without breaking the bank. Happy printing! Tanya Gadget.
Thank you for watching our video. Please make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons before you leave.